Hello everyone, welcome to the MatchX YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your MatchX Gateway. We have two different models, MX1701 applicable in Europe, Middle East and Africa. MX702 applicable in Asia, Pacific, Latin America and North America. You can find the number of your model behind of the box here. Inside the box you will find first the user guide. Then we have our gateway. Then we have our two antennas, number 1 for GPS, number 2 for LoRa. We also have the power adapter, and then we have our power cable. As you can see, this is for the model 1701. We also have the cable for 1702. Lastly, we have our mounting tools if you need to mount your gateway outdoors. Now let's set up our gateway. First, you need to open up the lower part to see the connections of the gateway. Here we have the LED to understand the state of the gateway, USB-C connection for debugging the gateway, Power over Ethernet connection for Ethernet connection and powering the gateway, USB connection for further developments to attach other devices to our gateway. Now you need to connect your antennas as mentioned before, number 1 to number 1 for GPS signals, number 2 to number 2 for LoRa signals. The next step is to power up our gateway. Plug in your cable to your electricity and then the other end to our power adapter. You need Ethernet connection for your gateway to work properly, so find an Ethernet connection and plug it in to LAN. Then take the second Ethernet connection and plug it in to the Power over Ethernet. And lastly, to power up our gateway, you need to plug in the Power over Ethernet to our gateway. Now we have the LED showing the state of the gateway. Flashing blue is initializing. Now we have to wait for the gateway to show us a steady green so that we understand that the gateway is set up. Yes, you can see we have a steady green signal and the gateway is ready for use. If you want to have a proper GPS signal, don't forget to put your gateway next to the window to have better GPS signals. Now the next step is registering our gateway to MatchX Cloud. Go to MatchX website and under Cloud you will see our different server locations. For the purpose of this tutorial we are using the European server. Go to sign up and enter your email to receive the registration email. Once you receive the registration email, click the link and set up your password for registering to the LPWAN cloud. Now you can see the dashboard of the MatchX Cloud. Go to your organization and then go to Gateways to register your gateway. Click Create Gateway and then Register Gateway. And here, the only thing you need to do is to put the serial number written at the bottom of your gateway. Once you click Submit, your gateway is successfully registered. Now to see the details of your gateway, you can click the serial number and see all the details. After registering a gateway, you can create an application in order to start using LoRa. In order to register your node to this application, click Create Node, and here you need to enter the details of your LoRa node. You need to enter device UI, application UI, and the application key in order to successfully start your application. Alternatively, you can connect your gateway to the internet through Wi-Fi. Show available networks and you will see MatchX box. Connect to MatchX box, and the default security key is the serial number of the gateway. Once you are connected to the gateway through Wi-Fi, go to this IP address and you will see the MatchX box Wi-Fi backhaul setting page. You can scan for the Wi-Fi here and use the Wi-Fi SSID that you want to connect to, and you put the Wi-Fi password and click connect. Your gateway is connected to Wi-Fi. The gateway is good to go. Congratulations! Thanks for watching MatchX Gateway setup tutorial. Please visit our website for more information. Please also like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. See you soon.